Hi, this is Brad. We're going to do a walk around on a 2010 Chevy Impala LS, 19,843 miles on it, stock number 4341. This is a salvage vehicle. I want to point out we did put a suspension on this car. You can see there is a little damage into where the wheel went back into the firewall, real low there. The main damage is right here on this corner. I don't see any sliver cracks in the windshield. It looks good. And you can see it's into the door. And we'll come around the front. You can see it's going to need a front bumper cover, right headlight. It's going to need a hood, bumper cover. Does have a 3500 V6 in it. That's purring right away there. There might be a hole in the radiator on this one. We did add some coolant to it. It was very low on coolant, but we're not dripping anything out at the moment, so we're not going to let it run just to be on the safe side. And coming around, there's a little mar there in the bumper cover. It's going to need a bumper cover anyway. Driver's door looks good. The rear door on the driver's side, there is some scuffing right there, and there's some real light scratching into the quarter panel there. Looks like that stuff will buff. And the rear bumper cover's got a bubble dent in it, and then there's some damage. Looks like mostly from moving it around at the auction. It got bumped around a little bit from them trying to move it. And the taillight's got a little chip in it right there, and then there's a little damage on the quarter. Again, a little bit of scratching here on this rear door. And you can see the passenger's front door. It's definitely going to need a front door. This door does open. I'll show you the post there. It does look good on it. And I'll give you a wider view here. No buckling in the roof or anything. The roof line looks really good on it. And we'll cover the options here. It does have the center floor shift in it, power windows, power locks, air cruise tilt. We do have cruise control on the steering wheel. I want to point out there are no airbags deployed on this vehicle. All the airbags are good. Well, if you have any questions, and the driver's seat is also power. If you have any questions on this vehicle, please give us a call. There'll be some more information on how you can sign up to our YouTube channel and receive free video updates. Thank you again for viewing. Thank you for viewing that video from Advanced Auto. And this is Brad. I just want to explain a few of the things on YouTube. And I want to point out this button right here that says subscribe. And I want to tell you a little bit about that. If you push that button, that'll take you through a process through YouTube that you will subscribe to our channel, which is repairables.com. And you will receive our videos and our videos only from YouTube. And this is very nice because it'll give you video updates before anybody else gets them of new inventory coming into Advanced Auto. As soon as we post a video and put it on YouTube, you're going to get an email and you'll be able to see the make and model of that car. And hey, if you want to watch the video, go ahead. If you don't, you can go ahead and delete it. And also, if you click on repairables.com, this will bring you to this page, which is actually our channel. And then there is also a subscribe button right there where you can subscribe. And it does explain a bunch of things about the company that we've been in 27 years. And then a nice feature on the bottom is you can scroll down and you can look at all the videos we have posted and vehicles that we have sold, and it can give you a pretty overall idea what kind of inventory we're buying. And maybe at that point you'd say, hey, I'd want to subscribe because he's getting in the kind of cars, we're getting in the kind of cars that I am interested in. So it's a very nice feature. And again, like I say, all you would have to do is push the subscribe button and go through the process. And anytime in the future, if you decide that you want to unsubscribe, that's very easy to do too, where you won't receive the updates anymore. So please keep viewing, and I hope you subscribe to our channel, repairables.com, and I want to thank you again. Thanks again.